Well, as I'm working through this book, I am discovering that it's not bound quite the way maybe it needs to be. It looks like a bunch of mini signatures, and it's really hard to get the pages out, and so I may have to do some work with the X-Acto knife to get them out. But I'm just doing some preliminary getting pictures out here, and I'm not doing it, you know, it's not like a 2 8 2 8 2 8. It's just kind of whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of cleanup work here. And there's some, this saying is really nice. I might keep it. And I'm gonna make pockets out of, the plan was to like take a picture and take the next piece and glue those together and make a pocket out of it. But we'll get to that. I didn't think you'd want to watch me ad nauseum go through slowly, deciding, not deciding, etc. on these pages. There was just so many different colors and pages to choose from, and so I just sped up these parts to make it a little bit easier on your eye, but not so much that you couldn't actually see the pictures as I was going through. So it looks like I'm going to have to do a little bit more X-Acto knife work than I first predicted, but that's okay. This is the book I chose, so we'll just have to work with it. All right, we're coming up to probably my favorite picture in the book. White is good. I'm definitely keeping this. That's beautiful. And I'll put something over this. Yeah. See, that works fine. Okay, as you can see, we're all done with pulling pages out. I think I pulled out more pages than I left in. From here, I'll go through and decide what I could use for cutouts on my pages, and then we'll start gluing. So thank you so much for taking the time and spending it with me, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.